So we're going to hook up our water heater. Okay, so probably put that one for me. But I can't put it on with the cable in it. We'll use our tool. It's got a nice little blade in here. You go in like this. Like that. How nicely that strips it. And we'll cut it back. Get our paper out of here. Bring our wires to come down. So we'll shape them to go in. We'll curve them like that there. So we get into our connector. We'll bring our jacket down into our Romex connector here. Make sure our jacket is down there. We'll make sure our wire is coming straight into our Romex connector here. I like to have even pressure on each side and make sure our wire is centered in here, like that. So first we'll get our ground wire around this ground screw down in here. Close our loop, the direction our screw turns. Now, tight. And we do not have my cutters. I lost them, but we're not getting frustrated. We'll just leave our slack down here. It's to our advantage too, in case they get another water heater with a ground screw in a different position. So we'll have it longer in case somebody has to put a longer one in. So here in the country I was born in, we use number 10 on 30 amps, number 12 on 20 amps, number 14 on 15 amps. Black is live, white is neutral. There, the green is the ground. Red and blue are also live colors. However, you may find white live in a 110, 120 volt switch loop like we have here on a 220, 240 volt circuit. So we'll take and we'll strip with our numbers. This is number 12, so we'll strip that with our number 12 hole, and this is number 10. We'll strip with our number 10 hole. We'll get our wires even. Okay, we have to just take a tiny bit off this number 10. Alright, if I have a Sharpie, I can remark it live. If I don't, I don't. But I'm going to look. If I have a Sharpie, I'll remark it live. Hey, it's nice. I have some red electrical tape. So we'll remark this white wire live. So this is just to mark it live for another person that comes along. So we'll get our copper even at the top here like this. Take our wire nut, make sure our insulation goes down into the wire nut. And we'll use our twister. It has a twister in here. We'll put it on top of our wire nut and we'll just twist it nice and tight. See how I get a nice twist here? Fold this down into our box here. A little box down in here. Our black wires up. Strip this with our number 12 hole. Strip this with our number 10 hole. Make sure our copper is even at the top here. See how they're stripped the same length and even. Insulation even at the bottom and our copper even at the top. Like that there. We'll take our wire nut, we'll make sure it grabs both wires. And we'll take our twister. I'll look at my wire nut, make sure my insulation is in. And I can see my insulation is up in the red one there. And we'll push this down into our box here. Get it down out of our way. Like that. And we'll just take and slip our cover over this. be nice if I had a socket set, but I don't. So I'm just thankful for what I have. I don't complain about what I don't have. Yeah, I have to take it out all the way. You just do it the hard way, that's all. You don't complain about it, you don't cry about it. You don't let it bother you. Just do it the hard way without your socket sets. Get it in like this. Set it in your hole. And we'll just turn it back. Back in my thing here. And I'll show you the diagram here.